Hello and welcome back to another radio workflow training video. I am Shane and I am going to be taking you through how to use Prospector to find potential prospects that will hopefully advertise on your radio station. All we do is go over here to sales and marketing and then we go to Prospector. Now what Prospector allows you to do is search public data for potential prospects. Now what we can do is actually search our current location, or we can set a location. So let's just set New York City. And then what we want to do is actually just type in hotels. So we're going to search for hotels in New York City. So once it's done searching, it's going to put those prospects onto a map. And then we can use that map to actually add them into the prospect pool. So all we need to do is click on Save to Prospects. So here's a list of all the different hotels that are found in New York City. And then we can actually assign a tag to it as well. So for example, let's put a tag as hotels. And then later we can actually do a filter on our prospect pool based on those tags. Once we're done, all we do is hit create, and that's going to create all those prospects in our prospect pool. Now, another cool feature you have is once you save, obviously, those prospects into the prospect pool, you can actually use Discovery to search for potential contacts for these particular businesses. So we can see here we've got Best Western Plus Plaza Hotel. Now, if we want to try and find email addresses and contacts for this particular account, then what we can actually do is click on Open in Discovery. And what Discovery does is it searches public data for potential contacts, and it'll give you the actual typical email format for employees within this organization. So it's typically first and then .last at bestwestern.com. And so if you know the person's name, then perhaps you can use that information, knowing the format, to reach out to that particular prospect. So we do have obviously a few that we've found online here. So we can see Susan here and also Tom. So if we want to actually add those onto the prospect that we've added into the system, all we do is click on the add button there and then search for the prospect inside the system and then hit create, and that'll create the contact for you. And obviously you can add as many different contacts into a prospect as you want to. So there we go. That is how you use Prospector to search for potential prospects, and also have a look to see if you can find any contact details for those particular prospects as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Radio Workflow. For now, I will leave you to it. Get back to work, and in our next video, we are going to be talking about how to generate a live avails report inside Radio Workflow. So keep an eye out for that. And don't forget to subscribe and also bang the bell to get notifications about when we upload new videos onto this channel.